What the heck? What do we got going on here? So this is our cleaning board for inside the gym. And it's a little janky, as you can see. It's floppy, it's falling over. Oh, cool, it's way tight. All right, we got this thing flipped around. Way better. It's actually tight, so that's one improvement. So now let's get this thing set up with some new well control accessories. So here's a new one. This is a trifold paper towel dispenser. So this thing is actually sized so that you can unpack one whole single package and it'll fit in here, and so there's not any wasted extra space or too many to actually fit in the dispenser at once. Another new one that we're trying out too. It's a 2-bin setup for an aerosol can, or in this case a round spray bottle. Our old stock in the back and then our new stock in the front. But I actually incorporated a neat additional feature for a somewhat of a physical barrier. So it's got a Kanban card holder. So you go for the new stock to replace what's in front. Card's right there, ready to be pulled, all integrated into the mount. So it's super simple and straightforward. And last but not least, there we go. One for the dustpan. That is so much better.